Yeah, good afternoon, friends. Today we will discuss about data structure. Today we will discuss in computer science about data structure. In data structure, first we read array. A-R-R-A-Y, array. So I read here the definition of an array. An array is a collection of variables of the same type. Friends, as are you able to see in the picture, इंडेक्स इंडेक्स के सामने आप एरो देखते हैं. इंडेक्स शोज इन ए टेबल CODE एंड above on table 0 1 2 3. Address arrow 700 701 702 703. This is a figure of array. I hope you well understand. Second is linked list. So what is the definition of linked list? I read here. In linked list, the elements are not stored at contiguous memory location. The element in a linked list are linked using pointer as shown in figure. So I read here a figure also. Head, arrow, boxes A, arrow, B, arrow, C, arrow, null. Data next. So this is the figure of linked list. So now I approach third, stack, S-T-A-C-K. What is stack? So I read the definition of stack. Stack follows particular order called LIFO. LIFO, the full form is last in first out. This is LIFO, in which the operations are performed. How performed operations we are able to see here in figure. First figure, empty stack. Second figure, push, kept 1. Third step, push, kept 2 and 1. Fourth step, push, kept 3 to 1. And fifth figure, pop. It means out, such as I told LIFO, last in first out. Last in first out. So friends, I read here in data structure the definitions of array, linked list and stack with the figure. I hope that this is well understood. This is good to know. If any doubt, you can comment in our comment box. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you very much. Thanks.